but officer, the devil made me do it. And that's what you're looking at. On this windy day, I don't have my microphone, so the video quality may be iffy, but I still had to make a video of this. This is the Demon 170, the new one, or the last one from Dodge. Remember, the 2018 Demon was the first car ever from the factory with drag radials. This one has the drag radials with the carbon fiber wheels. Let's take a look at the window sticker. This was part of the last call from Dodge. If you saw the announcement, they just announced the electric Charger, and they're going to come out with twin turbo straight sixes, which are going to be called the six packs. That's in 2025. But this is the 2023 outgoing Demon 170. This thing's 1,000 horsepower. And for those of you that don't know, the 170 actually denotes with the full alcohol charge. That is the proof. Like, 80 proof whiskey. This is 170 proof with the tank full of the alcohol mix. I can still smell the leather. That smell of a brand new car. And I'm sorry about the sound quality. It's very windy today. So there you have it, Mopar fans, 1,000 horsepower. And just goes to show you the devil is in the details. Gauze Garage, Ideal Classic Cars, Venice, Florida. Thank you.